Hi, today I will show you how to buy S&P 500 stocks on Interactive Brokers website. If you are new to investments and if you never did it before, it can be a bit confusing. So I will show you this process step by step. This is a dashboard where you can see your funds, your portfolio. I assume you already have an account created and you logged in into your account. So first you have to search for the stock you want to buy. In my case, I want to buy S&P 500. So you see it's already here, but anyway, I will show you. There are a few of them. We need this one because we're gonna buy with euros. I'm in Europe, so that's why. So when you click on it, you have this show more instruments. We go to stock, and here you can click on buy. And if you enabled fraction, you can buy you can choose euro and buy stocks for money you're ready to spend. Let's say 50 euro. You do market order if you want it to be done immediately. So we see this error. It just means that we can't buy part of the share. We can only buy the whole share, like 1 or 5 or 10 or 100, whatever amount you want to buy. So let's just try with 1. It's not so expensive. And now we see this warning. It just means that there is a delay between actual market price and the price that we see on the website. So it's just a warning that required to be here. You can just accept it and do not pay attention to it. Congratulations! My order has been filled, so I'm a proud owner of 1 share. So that's it.